got you. I'll get somebody to
Tell
go
him
over
to
there.
get his fat ass off
She
of my leg.
assaulted a security guard up there.
Can you go to
stole.
The star of today's show is Miss Ariel Young. She's been arrested 32 times in Franklin County, and those are just the misdemeanors. On October the 30th, 2024, at approximately 6:11 p.m., a sergeant with the Columbus Division of Police was on routine patrol when he was flagged down about a woman who shoplifted from a convenience store and assaulted a security guard. Miss Young was the suspect.
What's up, buddy? What is it?
I just had this lady assault me in that store.
Which one?
Family Dollar right there.
Where's she at?
She just ran down that way. She's carrying a carpet and some poles.
What's she wearing? Black, white?
She's a black female.
Okay. What kind of clothes?
Dark clothes.
Okay. All right. That's 12. I just got flagged down by security. I think it's at 38 holding the board. He also said that she assaulted him, so what are you looking for? Hi! Stop for a second. Stop. 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 Yeah, I got her right here. Driving parked, and I think she's probably gonna run. Come here. What? Dude, stop. Are you serious right now?
Are you
Stop.
serious? Stop for what?
Walking. Stop.
For what?
Stop.
What's wrong with you?
Fucking crap.
What?
Give me your hands.
Get off of me!
Hands.
Get off of me!
Hands.
Bro, get off
Give me
of me!
your fucking hands.
Tackling me!
Fucking hands.
Bro, what the fuck is you tackling me for?
Stop. Stop.
Bro, what is you
Stop.
tackling me for?
Resisting. Just stop.
Resisting what?
Stop.
Why are you chasing me?
Stop.
Bro, who are you? Get off of me!
You done?
No, get off of me! I'm on a broken leg, bro! Get off of me!
Stop. Stop.
For what? Fuck off of me! What are you stopping me for?
You done?
What are you stopping me for?
Stop.
You just said stop! For what? You can't tell me to stop!
Yeah, I did.
For what?
Stop.
How did I know you're talking to me? Stop for what?
Stop playing.
You just said stop. Stop. Stop for what? You can't tell me to stop. Get off of me. My leg is broken.
That
Get
sucks.
off of my leg. My leg is all the way broken and you're on it. Get off of my leg.
Stop talking.
Fuck, get off of me.
Stop. What do you need, Mom? Oh, enough. Cruisers. Yeah, she said that she assaulted that security guard over there.
Bro, ain't nobody assault no security guard. Fuck is you talking about? Fuck up off of me, bro. Get off of my leg. My leg is all the way broken. He's on my damn leg. Get off of my leg. You in the middle of traffic, stopping traffic. You a big guy, ain't you? You're such a big guy, ain't you? Bro, get the fuck off my leg!
Are you done?
No, you're on my leg and it hurt!
Okay, stop moving.
I got a whole thing on my leg!
Stop moving.
Get off my leg!
Hey, relax.
He's on my broken leg!
Relax. Hey, relax.
Damn, get off my broken leg!
Relax. Actually, I'll get somebody to
Tell
go
him to
over
get
there.
his fat ass off of my
She
leg!
assaulted a security guard up there. Can you go to the
Damn.
Can you go to the store up the road?
Yeah, it has I saw a security guard. Fuck. Fuck is
Radio,
you?
like, started like doing some death.
Are you just telling me to stop? I don't even know who the fuck you talking to.
Yeah, I'm good. Buddy.
Can you get off my leg? It's bleeding.
Hey, take a breath, all right?
No, tell him to get off my leg.
Take a breath.
It's fucking bleeding and shit. Bro, get the fuck up off of me before I get you with a sword. Fuck.
Yeah.
Damn.
First set of here. We're gonna stand up, all right?
No, I'm not.
Weapons or anything like that.
Fuck, you touching on me, harassing me. My fucking whole leg is broke.
We'll get you a medic.
Fuck off of me.
You got anything on you?
Medic right here.
What?
Alright. You stand up?
No.
Why not?
Like, this where you want to arrest me out in front of everybody, tackle me in the middle of the street?
I didn't tackle you.
Yes, he did.
I said I did.
I put my shoe on,
She said her
bro.
legs. Stand
You
up.
touch me on the other side. Fuck is wrong with y'all? Get off me.
Come on.
Yeah, I don't get it. It's all her stolen
Get
stuff.
off my leg. He's on my broken leg.
Can you go to the store?
Damn, get off my broken leg.
Actually, I'll get somebody to
Tell
go
him
over
to get
there.
his fat ass off
She
of my leg.
assaulted a security guard up there. Can you
go to the-
store?
Damn.
Can you go to the store up the road?
Yeah, and ask God, saw a security guard. Fuck.
We were looking for you. You drove all the way down.
I
I know.
know.
Monk Radio started doing some death
You're
tone.
just telling me to stop. I don't even know who the fuck you're talking to.
Yeah, I'm good, buddy.
Can you get off my leg? It's bleeding.
Hey, take a breath, all right?
No, tell him to get off my leg.
Take a breath.
Fucking bleeding and shit.
Is it unlocked?
Yeah.
No, do you need me to back it up?
No, I just need some.
Towels? We may not have any.
You guys
see
sing
it,
First set. We're gonna stand up, all right?
No, I'm not.
Weapons or anything like that.
You touching on me, harassing me, my fucking whole leg is broke. Fuck off of me.
Yeah, we got a medic right here.
What?
How convenient.
You stand up?
No.
Why not?
Fuck, this where you want to arrest me out in front of everybody, tackle me in the middle of the street?
I didn't tackle you.
Yes, he did.
I said I did.
Fuck, put my shoe on, bro.
I'm not touching your shoe. Come on, stand
You
up.
touch me on the other side? Fuck is wrong with y'all? Get off me.
Come on. We're not doing this, lady.
No, we're not. And you're pushing my fucking broke ass leg. Fuck, the one you're dragging. Harassing me for no fucking reason. I want to know what is I'm being stopped for.
There was a theft out at the Family Dollar.
Okay, what that got to do with me?
I stopped you. We're gonna figure it out.
Yeah.
You kick your legs in?
No, I'm not.
Stop it.
All
You
right.
stop it.
We can play this game. That's cool. You want me to get on the other side and drag her through?
Yep.
All right, sweet. You got her? Sure?
Yep.
All right.
Keep your legs.
You better not spit on him. She just spit on you?
No, she was angling away from me. Right?
Yeah.
Keep your legs.
I'm stopping. I need air.
I need to pull the car up and I can't do it.
Well, go ahead. You stop me like this.
Okay. Okay. So, do you want us to
I
hobble
need the
you?
medics, and I want to see somebody right now. You just fucked up
You
my
want us to
leg,
hobble
bro.
you?
You're the one that keeps kicking
No,
with
you
your
the one
fucked up
broke my leg.
I didn't break your leg.
Yes, you did.
120 to
You want to get hobbled?
Right, and I want to.
Okay, good job. Cool. Did she spit on you?
Is anybody at the family?
Yes, 120. McDonald went over there.
Yeah, kinda. Like, shit always, like... For who? Kill it. Now, there's a medic. Well, call her another one just because. Dude, like... No. Dude, there's like, I don't know if she like spit on me or what. Ah, it's gross.
Miss Ariel Young was arrested and charged with resisting arrest, obstructing official business, and petty theft. She also had warrants for petty theft, drug paraphernalia, and possession of drugs. She spent a total of 44 days in jail while awaiting trial and was found guilty of theft. The other charges were dismissed. She was ordered to pay a $50 fine and was given credit for 44 days of time served.